All right, today we're picking a Medeco Biaxial cam lock, and this is for my brown belt submission. We'll see how this goes. Maybe I can get it, and I don't have a key, so I gotta rake it. Try it now. Got it open. All right. Let's go ahead and take this thing apart. There's those two. Tailpiece. All right. There's the body. There's where the sidebar would typically go. There's the sidebar. I used a Coke can as the top to this because my other part got flattened out. So I went ahead and did that just so it would work. All right, let's bring this over here. This has some multi-pick junior stuff here. Let me go ahead and do that. All right. So we'll go ahead and put that there, that there, that there, and that there. Get my pin for this. One, or that's 4. 3. 2 and 1. All right. Those are all the pins. We'll rotate them. So there's a close-up of the pins. The lock body again. Make sure to lock itself. There we go. Picked.